Creator laptops today are trying to do it all. Be thin, powerful, and versatile. But very few actually balance those three aspects well. Some lean too heavily into gaming, while others sacrifice performance in favor of portability. The ASUS ProArt P16 aims to sit right in the middle. A creator-first machine that delivers workstation-level performance in a slim and travel-friendly form factor. After using it for about a month across editing, design work, and even some gaming on the side, it's clear that ASUS had a very specific type of user in mind, and for the most part, they nailed it. So, without further ado, let's get into it. The 2026 ProArt P16 keeps things clean and professional, which immediately sets it apart from more aggressive-looking performance machines like the ROG Zephyrus G16, for example. It's a good example because they practically have the same chassis. Only available in nano black, this laptop has a stealthy, minimalist aesthetic that works just as well in a studio environment as it does in a meeting or cafes. It doesn't try too hard to stand out, and we think that adds to its class. The smudge-resistant coating does a good job of keeping fingerprints under control even after long hours of use. Obviously, those with sweatier palms can give the finish a run for its money, but nothing that can't be solved with a good microfiber towel. Despite housing high-end components, the laptop remains relatively portable at around 1.95 kilograms and under 15 millimeters thin, making it easy to bring along for shoots or editing sessions outside the house, even with the included 6.7 kilogram 240 watt DC charger. Build quality is excellent throughout. The chassis feels solid and well put together, while the hinge offers good stability with minimal wobble. It's a device that feels dependable whether it's sitting on a desk or being carried around daily. The ASUS ProArt P16 offers a well-rounded selection of ports that pretty much eliminates the need for use of a dongle. We get two USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A ports rated for up to 10 gigabit per second transfer speeds, a USB 4.0 Gen 3 Type C port with power delivery and display out, a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C rated for the same transfer speeds and also gets power delivery as well as display out. There's also an HDMI 2.1 port for external displays, a 3.5mm combo audio jack, and a full-sized SD card reader. One of the standout inclusions here is the SD Express 7.0 card reader, which made transferring files from our cameras fast and convenient. We were able to achieve 100 megabyte per second write speeds when transferring 4K videos from a 64 gigabyte V30 card, and we are pleasantly impressed. Wireless connectivity is just as up-to-date with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4, ensuring fast and stable connections. In day-to-day use, everything from file transfers to cloud uploads work reliably without any hiccups. Overall, for I/O, ASUS clearly understands the needs of creators, but I still wish it had an RJ45, but maybe I'm just too old-fashioned. The display is easily one of the highlights of the ProArt P16, and it's immediately noticeable the moment you open the lid. It sports a 16-inch 4K ASUS Lumina Pro OLED panel, which is amazing. It features a 16:10 aspect ratio and delivers excellent color accuracy with 100% DCI-P3 color gamut coverage and is Pantone validated. The OLED panel also provides an amazing 1,000,000:1 contrast ratio with its VESA certified display HDR True Black 1000 certification and impressive HDR peak brightness levels of 16,000 nits, making it ideal for both creative work and media consumption. It's also worth noting that the display also has touch and pen support if you're into that, and in real-world use, this translates to a highly reliable canvas for editing photos and videos. Colors appear accurate and consistent, which is crucial for tasks like color grading and retouching. Beyond work, the display is simply enjoyable to use. Whether creating content, watching videos, or gaming, the OLED panel delivers a level of depth and clarity that's hard to go back from once you've experienced it.
OLED supremacy!
Doubling down on media consumption and creation, audio performance on the ProArt P16 is amazing. The built-in speaker system sounds phenomenal and produces clear full-bodied sound with enough volume for casual listening, viewing, and previewing edits, making external speakers optional for most situations. We rarely pass 26% in volume when working late nights, and of course, just like most modern high-end ASUS laptops, there's Dolby Access on here to tune the EQ or select preset profiles for Dolby Atmos, and like always, we settled on dynamic. Typing on the ProArt P16 feels natural and comfortable, with well-spaced keys and enough travel to support long writing or editing sessions. It's not overly flashy, but it gets the job done reliably. It is backlit single zone, and it's just white, so no RGB on here, but I'm not really complaining. Below the keyboard is the glass trackpad, which is large and responsive, offering precise control for users who prefer working without a mouse. Windows trackpad gestures register accurately, and overall navigation feels smooth. This laptop also features a more muted iteration of the ASUS dial pad, which adds a unique layer of functionality to our workflows or the trackpad itself. Integrated into the trackpad, it allows for quick adjustments in supported creative applications, such as scrubbing through timelines in Premiere and adjusting brush sizes or zooming in and out in Photoshop. Basic uses are for adjusting display brightness and volume. Unlike many experimental features, this one actually does prove genuinely useful once you incorporate it into your workflow. But again, if you don't really use it, I don't think it would wreck the whole experience at all. The ProArt P16 is equipped with an AMD Ryzen AI9 HX370 processor paired with an AMD Radeon 890M integrated GPU and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 laptop dedicated GPU, paired with fast 64GB of LPDDR5X memory, which is soldered by the way, and a 1TB PCIe Gen 4 M.2 SSD with an extra slot to add storage. On paper alone, that configuration and spec already positions the ProArt P16 as a serious contender in the creative laptop space. Over the past month, the laptop handled applications like Adobe Premiere Pro, After Effects, Media Encoder, Photoshop, and Lightroom Classic without breaking a sweat. Timeline scrubbing does remain smooth even on heavier projects, while applying effects and switching between apps feels very responsive. Exporting 6 to 10 minute 4K at 30p videos never lasted more than 15 minutes, give or take, depending on how heavy the projects were. And even when juggling multiple applications, the system maintains stability. For quicker workflows, apps like CapCut also run flawlessly, making it easy to switch between long-form editing and short-form content creation. Gaming on the ProArt P16 is more of a secondary feature than a primary focus. Titles like Tekken 8 and Helldivers 2 run well and are perfectly playable, but the experience isn't quite as seamless as what you'd expect from a gaming laptop. During testing, a minor issue came up when waking the laptop from sleep or hibernation while unplugged. And it is worth noting that I did put the laptop to sleep or hibernation while the charger was plugged in. So in some cases, after waking the ProArt P16 and just wanting to hop in some competitive matches on Tekken 8, the game would run as if the system was still in a lower power mode even after reconnecting the DC charger and switching performance profiles. A quick restart resolves the issue completely and it doesn't affect creative workloads, but I do think it's still worth noting for users who frequently switch between unplugged use and gaming sessions. Again, this really wasn't that big of a deal in everyday use, but it is worth noting, and the bug will probably get fixed in a future update. Thermal performance is well managed even under sustained workloads. Fan noise is present under load as expected, but it remains at a reasonable level and doesn't become overly distracting for us. I mean, obviously, if I'm playing a game and the fans are maxed out, I obviously don't really care because I'm zoned in to the game. But if it does bother you guys that much, For lighter tasks, whisper mode helps keep things more subdued, making it suitable for shared workspaces like a library, especially when used unplugged. This is a video sample using the front-facing camera of the ASUS ProArt P16 2026. Might be smudged. Okay, it's a little bit better. I think it got a little bit more crispy. Overall, the ProArt P16 delivers excellent workflow consistency. It doesn't just perform well in short bursts, it sustains that performance across longer sessions, which is exactly what we'd expect from a powerful portable workstation. Battery life is respectable for a laptop in this category with its 90 watt-hour capacity. The ProArt P16 can last around 5 to 8 hours screen on under lighter workloads such as browsing, writing, and light editing. Heavier tasks like video editing with all the effects and motion graphics you can add and rendering will naturally drain the battery much faster. It's not designed to be an all-day unplugged workstation, but it does offer enough flexibility for mobile productivity when needed. And for those of you wondering, we can access performance mode even when it is unplugged. So another interesting thing about this laptop is it's a Copilot Plus PC. This means the ProArt P16 includes Microsoft Copilot, ASUS StoryCube, and ASUS MuseTree, all pre-installed when you buy this computer. These features are useful, especially for organizing files and experimenting with AI-assisted creation, but they're more of a bonus rather than a core reason to buy this device, in my personal opinion. Our review unit shipped with Windows 11 Home, and we don't really have much of anything to complain about. Those more familiar with Armory Crate from ROG Laptops should feel right at home with ProArt Creator Hub, which is the app that gives us access to performance modes and display color control. Wrapping this video up, the ASUS ProArt P16 succeeds at what it sets out to do. It's a creator-focused laptop that delivers strong and consistent performance where it matters most, all while maintaining a sleek and portable design. The gorgeous OLED display stands out as one of the best in its class. The dial pad adds meaningful functionality once you're used to it, and the overall experience feels tailored for creative professionals. While it isn't optimized for gaming, it's definitely a non-issue running most modern AAA and competitive games. If your workflow revolves around editing, designing, and producing content, this is a machine that can keep up without compromise. Now, for the price. So, what do you guys think of the ASUS ProArt P16? Is this your next mobile workstation? Let us know in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video or found it informative or educational, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yukatech.com and follow us on all our social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, the ASUS ProArt P16. Miguel T, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.